everyone, today we're going to talk about how to keep your Louis Vuitton Neverfull handbag straps up. Now if you have one of these handbags or know someone with these handbags, these straps tend to slump to the side, which is very frustrating. Now I've had this bag here for about a year or just over a year now, and as you can see the straps are still holding up. I literally wear this bag every single day. So I have a really great trick on how to keep your straps upright and maintain your bag. So first of all is you want to take everything out of your bag. So let's dive in. Now one thing that you do, what I do, is I wear this bag every single day. So it is my holy grail of holy grails. It holds all my stuff, my life, my books, my phone, my water bottles, my keys, my lipstick, my everything. So what I actually got was a bag organizer, which really helps everything in the bag kind of have a place, as well as makes it really easy for me to take everything out in one go. So what you want to do at the end of every day when you come home and you're not going to be using your bag anymore is to take everything out. So as I said, I have this really great bag organizer. It holds everything in one go. Everything's in there just like that, and now all of a sudden my bag is completely empty. So now we'll jump over and I'll show you guys what it is that I do to help my strap stay steady. Great, so you want to jump into your wardrobe and grab those two hangers. Awesome, so as you can see I've got one of the hangers hanging behind me. So what you want to do is you want to overlap the two. So you've got the hook hanging down. Now this is just a really simple DIY trick. I'm pretty sure you could probably get some special hangers that will do the trick for you. Like those bag hooks would work really well up there, but I'm just using a coat hanger. So you want to clip in your bag like so. Now you want to make sure that the straps are folding correctly in the right way. So that one, we'll just flip that around so they're smoothly like that. Clip it in and there you go. It's as simple as that. Great guys, and just like that we've got it hanging, and we'll leave it there for overnight, so about 8 to 10 hours, and I'll be able to grab my bag, chuck this back in it, and I'll be ready to go with some nice handles that have held its shape when I drop it down. Please like and subscribe this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.